What's up, guys? It's Lisa here from lisasfoodaddiction.com, and today I have a recipe for you that combines breakfast with dinner with this amazing breakfast fried rice. We're going to be adding some smoked sausage, ham, peppers, onions, all of our breakfast favorites. So let's get cooking. To start off, we're going to add some vegetable oil into a large pot that I've placed over medium-high heat. Next, we're going to add in our onions and our peppers. We're going to start cooking these for about 10 to 12 minutes until they become golden brown and translucent. Now that we have our peppers and our onions cooking in our pot, we're going to give them a stir just to make sure that everything is combined well and to make sure that none of our veggies stick to the bottom of our pot. Now we are going to season up our veggies with a little bit of salt, some pepper, and some onion powder. Keep in mind, guys, that we are making fried rice with soy sauce, so you don't need a lot of salt. In fact, this is the only time that we're going to be using salt in this recipe. Here we have some smoked sausage, some diced ham, and some sliced bacon. Now we're going to add our smoked sausage into the same pot that we cooked our veggies in along with our diced ham. We're going to cook this, guys, until they have browned and crisp. This should take about 7 to 10 minutes. So guys, once we have this going, we're just going to keep an eye on it just to make sure that nothing's burning, nothing's sticking. And I may or may not have almost burned my sausage, but that's how I know to tell you guys to keep an eye on it. And here is the sausage and ham. It is nice and brown. It's definitely darkened in color and it is done. Now it is time to cook our bacon. So we're going to go ahead and add that bacon right into the same pot. So guys, you can definitely turn this recipe into a one-pot dinner. If you decide to do so, just make sure you have some pre-cooked white rice on hand, and you're going to want to throw your eggs in along with your sausage or either your bacon. Now that our bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to remove it and place it in a paper towel lined bowl. Go ahead and set that bacon to the side, and now we're going to cook our eggs until they are nice and fluffy and yellow in color. You definitely do not want brown rubbery eggs, so make sure, guys, to not overcook your eggs. Here I have our pre-cooked white rice and some reserved bacon grease, and we are going to begin frying this rice. So whenever you make fried rice, you want to make sure that you actually fry your rice. I know you're probably like, duh, Lisa, that's why it's called fried rice, but a lot of people skip this step. You don't want to take freshly cooked rice and just dump soy sauce all over it. You want to get your rice into a hot pan along with some sort of oil. In this case, we're using bacon grease, and actually fry the rice for at least 10 minutes. This step is going to extract any extra moisture that may still be in the rice and is going to keep you from getting gooey or mushy rice. Once we have fried our rice and added our soy sauce, we're going to go ahead and add in our smoked sausage, our ham, and our bacon. Now that we have added all of that goodness in there, we're going to add in some more goodness by adding our eggs, our cooked peppers and onions. You want to make sure to continue to mix in between adding all of your ingredients. And guys, here is our super flavorful and super easy breakfast fried rice. I just grabbed a serving dish to place this breakfast fried rice in just to make it look extra cute and extra pretty. Go ahead and finish this off with some sesame seeds and some freshly chopped green onions, and that is it, y'all. We are done. Another super quick and super easy recipe from Lisa's Food Addiction. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you're new to my channel, hit that notification bell below so you don't miss out on future uploads. And until next time, always remember, if I can cook it, anyone can. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.